When December arrives, something inside us starts to shift. Cities light up, Christmas music fills the air, and little by little we get swept up in that warm, nostalgic spirit only the holiday season can bring. One of the most beautiful traditions of this time of year is decorating the home. Now, some people might think it's just about making things look nice, but the truth is Christmas home decor has a much deeper meaning, and it brings so many advantages and benefits that go far beyond appearances. Decorating your home for Christmas sets the tone for the entire season. The moment you hang that first ornament or put up the tree, it's like you've officially welcomed the magic of Christmas into your life. It signals to everyone in your home, whether it's family, friends, or just yourself, that something special is happening. It creates a cozy, comforting atmosphere that immediately lifts your mood and brings a sense of joy and anticipation. One of the biggest benefits of decorating for Christmas is how it helps create memories. Think about it. How many of your favorite childhood memories involve putting up decorations, untangling lights, or baking cookies surrounded by twinkling garlands? These moments might seem small in the moment, but they become core memories, especially for children. Year after year, decorating becomes a tradition. Maybe you play the same music, wear matching pajamas, or sip hot chocolate while hanging ornaments. These shared rituals strengthen family bonds and help everyone feel more connected. Another amazing thing about decorating is how it can completely transform your space. It doesn't matter if you live in a small apartment or a big house. Adding Christmas touches brings a whole new energy. A few strands of lights, some red and green pillows, or even a simple wreath on the door can make everything feel more inviting and magical. And you don't have to spend a fortune. Many beautiful decorations can be handmade, reused, or even found in nature, like pine cones, branches, or dried oranges. Now let's talk about the emotional impact. The holiday season isn't always easy for everyone. It can bring up feelings of loneliness, stress, or even sadness. But creating a festive environment at home can actually help improve mental well-being. Studies have shown that decorating can trigger dopamine, the feel-good hormone, and brighten our mood. Being surrounded by warm lights, nostalgic ornaments, and familiar scents like cinnamon and pine can offer comfort and reduce anxiety. It's like giving yourself a big emotional hug every time you walk into your living room. Decorating also gives you a chance to express yourself creatively. Maybe you love a traditional red and gold theme, or maybe you prefer icy silvers and blues. You can go rustic with wood and burlap, or go glam with glitter and metallics. There are no rules. It's your space, and you get to decide how to make it feel magical. The act of decorating can be incredibly relaxing and satisfying. It's a project that brings immediate results, and there's something really rewarding about stepping back and seeing your home transformed into a festive wonderland. If you live with others, decorating becomes a group activity that brings people together. You can involve your kids in choosing ornaments or let your partner help string lights outside. Even if you live alone, decorating can be a way of celebrating yourself and your space. It's a gesture of self-care, showing that you value your environment and want to make it special. Let's not forget about the sensory experience of Christmas decor. The lights, the colors, the textures, the sounds of bells and carols, even the smell of fresh pine or cinnamon candles. All of it creates an immersive atmosphere. These sensory elements can trigger powerful emotional responses and make you feel more present in the moment. During a time of year that can sometimes feel rushed or overwhelming, having a beautifully decorated space can ground you and help you slow down and appreciate the little things. If you're not sure where to start, begin with a theme or color palette. Maybe you're drawn to classic red and green, or you prefer something modern like black and gold. Pick a few key areas to focus on: the tree, the front door, the dining table, or the fireplace. Add lights wherever you can, because they're truly the secret weapon of holiday decorating. Use candles for a warm glow, garlands for texture, and ornaments that have personal meaning. Don't worry about making everything perfect. What matters is that your space feels festive and joyful to you. Also, try to incorporate nature into your decor. A vase filled with winter branches, a bowl of pine cones, or a handmade wreath with eucalyptus can bring in a fresh, natural element that balances all the sparkle. Mixing natural elements with traditional Christmas decor can create a beautiful, timeless look. And here's a little tip: Decorate gradually. You don't have to do everything in one day. Start with the lights or the tree, and then add pieces over the next week or two. That way, you get to enjoy the process instead of feeling overwhelmed. Plus, it keeps the excitement going longer, which is great for building anticipation. Christmas home decor also plays a big role in hospitality. When guests walk into a home that's beautifully decorated, they immediately feel welcomed. It creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that makes gatherings feel even more special. Whether you're hosting a big dinner or just having a friend over for coffee, your decor sets the mood and makes people feel at ease. And as we continue talking about this, remember that decorating for Christmas doesn't have to follow anyone else's rules or expectations. Maybe you love colorful lights and a playful, whimsical style with candy canes and oversized ornaments. Or maybe you prefer a minimalist, Scandinavian look with neutral tones and wooden accents. The beauty of Christmas decor is that it's deeply personal. It tells a story about who you are, what you love, and the memories you've collected over the years. One of the most touching things you can do is bring out decorations that have sentimental value. That handmade ornament your child made in school, or that old Santa figurine your grandmother used to display. Those little pieces carry emotion and nostalgia that no store-bought item can replicate. They connect us to our past and to the people we love, and they give our home that irreplaceable feeling of warmth and soul. If you're thinking about getting others involved, especially kids, decorating becomes even more meaningful. Children absolutely love the process, and it gives them a sense of responsibility and pride. Let them hang ornaments, place the stockings, or even create their own decorations. These little activities become treasured traditions. It's not just about the end result, it's about the laughter, the teamwork, and the shared joy of doing something festive together. You can also turn decorating into a full experience. Put on some holiday music, light a scented candle, make a batch of cookies or some hot cocoa, and let yourself enjoy every moment. Don't rush. Let it be a time to reconnect with yourself or with the people around you. Even if life feels hectic, even if the year has been difficult, decorating is a small act that can bring you back to a place of peace, joy, and hope. And yes, even the smallest details matter. Switching out regular throw blankets for something in festive colors, hanging a small wreath on a mirror or cabinet, adding fairy lights to a bookshelf. All of that contributes to the atmosphere. If you're working with a tight budget or a small space, don't worry. It's not about quantity, it's about creating a feeling. Even a few well-placed elements can make a big impact. Think of the front of your house or apartment too. A simple doormat with a holiday message, some string lights around the entrance, or a festive plant can greet you and your guests with a bit of cheer before you even step inside. These little touches can be surprisingly powerful. They don't just decorate your home, they uplift your daily life. Another fun idea is to use your decor as a countdown to Christmas. An advent calendar, for example, is both decorative and interactive. You could also slowly add new elements to your space each day, like lighting one candle at a time or introducing new ornaments throughout the season. It builds anticipation and makes each day feel special. For those who love hosting, Christmas decor can also enhance the way your home functions during gatherings. A well-decorated dining area sets the stage for a beautiful meal. Cozy lighting encourages conversation and connection. Background music, coordinated with your decor style, adds another sensory layer to the experience. All of these elements work together to create an atmosphere where people feel comfortable, relaxed, and happy to be there. And don't forget about self-expression. This is your chance to be playful, creative, and festive. Maybe you've always wanted to try a vintage Christmas look with old-fashioned glass ornaments and tinsel. Or maybe you love bold themes like pink Christmas trees or rainbow lights. Go for it. Christmas decor should reflect your personality and bring you joy. The more you lean into what makes you smile, the more meaningful the whole experience becomes. At the end of the day, decorating your home for Christmas is about more than just putting up pretty things. It's about creating joy, sparking memories, expressing creativity, and building an environment that reflects the love and warmth of the season. It's a reminder to slow down, celebrate, and surround yourself with beauty, tradition, and meaning. So even if you're busy, even if the holidays feel stressful, take some time to add a little Christmas magic to your home. Whether it's a full-blown winter wonderland or just a few thoughtful touches, your space and your heart will feel a whole lot warmer.